What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the top 7 products that you need to start selling right now during the quarantine. Now some of you will say, oh, it's not nice to take advantage of the situation and start making money online because of that. Now guys, most of rich and successful people always took opportunities when life gave you them. As a matter of fact, some of these products are problem solving products, so people will say thank you to you for you to advertise these products to them. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily. And last but not least, if you do want to join my private mastermind WhatsApp group, make sure you text me at the number below in the description and I will make sure personally I will add you to the group. So with that being said, let's start with the video. Alright guys, so the first product that we have is the comfy chair, sofa chair, something like that. So this product is basically just throwing it to a kind of chair and it just make it super comfortable. Now the reason why this product can work really good is because people try to find out some ways right now to make money online, and if you're watching this video you pretty much also interested in that topic. It can be a good fit for freelancer and people like us working on computers. I want to show you the Facebook ad, which you can see that this ad has almost 2 million views, guys. That is crazy. It got almost 1,000 comments, and pretty much with the current situation that is a perfect product to sell. It's really had the potential to go viral. Now this might not be the best listing on AliExpress, but you can find the same product from different sellers on AliExpress, and I highly recommend you, if you can find it from United States, better for you to ship it from United States and not from China. But if you do have a private agent and you're making sure he is fulfilling your orders on time, my private agent told me that the shipping times are still kind of the same, maybe a delay of between 3 to 5 days, but not more than that. Now about the targeting, I will target freelancer, home business, passive income, self-employment, and entrepreneurship. Sorry that I'm looking at that direction, but my laptop is sitting over there and I need to remember which are the interests. Next product that we have is kind of a home gadget product, is a chopping board with a storage place. Now in the ad that you can see right here is something a bit different. It's with plastic storage, but because plastic has the issue of getting break, so this one is actually from silicone. So if you want, you can go ahead and try to dropship the one with the plastic, but I highly recommend you to go with silicone because it still solves the same problem, but it doesn't have a high potential of getting broken on the way. Now another good thing that we can see here, that this actual seller is shipping from multiple countries inside Europe and also from the United States, which is a good thing. These kind of products, gadgets, always work really well, the home solving stuff. So I will be definitely looking at testing this product. Just a quick tip for you, I will probably try to maybe do like a volume discount and try to sell multiple units and not selling only one. Now I will target cookware and bakeware, frying pan, gadget, kitchenware, and home appliances. Now guys, something I forgot to mention, the screenshot of the interest that you should target, you don't want to target them the same way, that all of them together. You want to create 5 different ad sets and use each interest for each ad set alone. Every new campaign I'm launching, I'm just using 1 interest per ad set. I just file them up together so it will be more comfortable for me to take a screenshot. Next product that we have is something that my girlfriend found and said that this product can be really in high demand product. As you know, all the beauty salons are closed, so women can't go out and do their nails. But guess what? Nails are growing, guys, and they do need to take care of it. So baby, thank you so much for recommending this product. Now guys, shout out to my girlfriend. She opened a new YouTube channel. Make sure you go check that out and subscribe to her channel. I wish you the best of luck, babe. Now the good thing about this product is it is a cheap product, but you can really use the volume discount in this product and try to sell multiple in one purchase. Now if it was a regular situation, I would never try to sell a product like this, but from a woman's perspective, my girlfriend thinks that this product has really high potential. She wanted to go and do her nails, but she couldn't, so this is why we came up with this product. Now interest is going to be artificial nails, manicure, nail art, nail salon, and pedicure. The next product we have is the heavy jump rope. Now I didn't see something super special about this product, but the whole idea of this product is kind of being just jump rope, but it is a heavy duty. This way you also doing cardio, but you also working on your muscles because it's a heavy duty. Now, as you can see in that, it has crazy engagement, almost 700,000 views and almost 2,000 comments. That is pretty much high engagement. Now, I already know that exercise and home gym equipment, those kind of things right now are really hot sellers, and even me and my private students working on some stores that's selling fitness products. Now, targeting will be super easy. The first interest is going to be CrossFit. I was doing CrossFit and we were using something ropes like this. Next one is going to be strength training, workout, bodybuilding, and physical exercise. Next one we have is actually pretty cool product. I'm definitely seeing myself using something like that. It's an amazing solution. It's like a portable stand for your tablet. Now, we already know that in the current situation, in the quarantine, this is what we're basically doing. We just sitting all day long in the tablet and the iPhone, just scrolling around the feed and just watching YouTube, things like that. So that is really cool solution. I would definitely want something like that. Now, if you will take a look at the ad, it got 210,000 views, not too many comments, but this product is definitely a great idea, especially right now. Now, about the targeting, I decided to start targeting more like a certain group of people because this is super generic product. So I decided to go first with like more like gadget geeks, like tech geeks, things like that, that love all those things. But as I said before, basically everybody can use this product. So the interests are gadget geeks, smart technologies, tech crunch, tech radar, and think geek. Next one we have is the butt lifter tie trimmer. Now, the reason why I'm so happy it is because I know that these kind of products always perform well. All those slimmers like body shapers, they are always perform really well, especially in Facebook ads. As you already know, guys, that there are certain products that most likely you will find only like on Facebook, on Instagram, things like that, on social media, than at your local Walmart shop. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. Now, this solved a huge problem which a lot of women have, and they are just obsessed with these slimmers, trimmers, shapers, whatever it will be. Now, as you can see, the ad got 600,000 views, not too many comments, but I do strongly believe that this product can be a major winner. Maybe I even going to test this product myself. And as you can see in this listing, this seller ships also from United States and Europe. Targeting for this product, I'm going to target diet food, extreme weight loss, leggings, slim fit pants, and tights. Now, for this product, I might want to start with Instagram influencers rather than just on Facebook. This product can really work well on Instagram, and this can actually help you to build some data on your pixel before you start driving traffic with Facebook ads. Last but not least, I might even get that for myself. It's a neck massager. Now, trust me, if you do watch too much Netflix and sitting all day long on your couch, you probably already started getting muscle pains, back pains, neck pains, and all those things. Now, another thing that you want to keep in mind, that there are people with like past injuries, like muscle pains, back pains, that is something that they need to take care of on a regular basis. I actually have a student which she owns a spa, okay? Millie, you're probably watching this, so shout out for Millie. So basically, she told me that a lot of customers are complaining because the spa is closed. She can't accept customers, but people have problems and pains, but unfortunately there is nothing that she can do. So this product can be a perfect fit for this kind of problem. And I have to mention, this product looks really cool. Now, as you can see in the ad, it almost got 800,000 views, which is crazy. And if you can see the comments, you can see that people engaging and actually asking what is the price. Trust me, someone in pain don't think twice to buy this product from me. Now, targeting, I'm going to target aging, massage, neck, old age, and personal care. Now, as you can see, this product in AliExpress has 4.9 star reviews with over 500 reviews, and overall almost 3,000 orders. But the only problem that we have, that this product ships from China. Now, as I said before, if you do have a dropshipping agent, and if you know who is my dropshipping agent, make sure you watch the video somewhere right here. This is a live interview that I did with my dropshipping agent when the epidemic started, and I thought about making another video with him about kind of update about shipping, how things going in China. If you do want to see a video like this, make sure you comment down in the comment section below, guys. So there you go, guys, 7 products that you should start testing right now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you destroy the like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily post. And as I said before, if you do want to join my private WhatsApp mastermind group, all you need to do is just to text me at the number below, and I will personally make sure to add you to our group. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.